What's up guys, JT over at Team FAS Motorsports, and today we're going to show you how to install a washer pump, replacement washer pump on a Ranger XP1000 Northstar. Shout out to the guys over on the Ranger Northstar owners page. They've found out this is a pretty common problem on the Northstars. Ours went out on this Northstar. It's about a year old. When this one went out, I've had guys that have called us that said their wiper pump went out, you know, 2 or 3 months in. So common problem, but they're cheap replacements. We have them on our website for right around, I believe, 20 bucks, and pretty simple install. So we'll go ahead and show you how to do that. If you find the video helpful, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to comment, and we'll definitely get back to you on that. So we'll go ahead and bring this into the shop, and we'll show you guys a pretty quick, easy process of how to get this thing replaced. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove your hood. Place that off to the side. Now, under the hood here, the washer pump from the factory is located on the left-hand side, the passenger side, actually right-hand side of the vehicle, the passenger side. So in order to get to that, you're going to have to remove this whole canister and get to the pump from the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unplug anything that's into our bus bar, move that out of the way, and we'll go ahead and lift this up, unbolt it, lift it up, and be able to get to the pump from the bottom and get it replaced. Okay, so once you remove that, you are going to have a Torx bit here and a Torx bit over here on the left. You will want to go ahead and remove both of those so you get some access to underneath the tank. Okay, so these are a T25 Torx bit, and they're just pretty much hand tight, so real easy to get out. Okay, so there are a total of 4. So there's 2 top Torx and 2 lower Torx. They're both right underneath each other. So just go ahead and remove all 4 of those. You can, if you do need more room, you could take these push pins out, and it'll give you better access to this one on this side here. Yeah, so you can see right in there is that lower one there, and you have 2 down in there. So we're going to go ahead and get those out, replace the pump, and then clean up some of this wiring for the customer. Get a little more neat for them. Okay, so now once that's all out of the way, you will be able to go ahead and lift this tank up. And as you see, this is your washer pump. You want to just go ahead and get that plug out. Now, when you pull this hose, obviously, this will begin to leak, so I recommend turning it upside down. getting that hose off of there. And now you can bring this over to the bench and take this out, pop your new one in. Okay, so we just brought that over to the bench and just used a screwdriver from the back end here and popped it open. Pulled this out. There is a grommet here, so that is actually your pickup for your pump. So that goes down into your washer fluid bottle, and that's what will pick it up, and that'll be your output that goes up to your washer nozzle. So we're going to go ahead and put the new one on. So you have your new one here, new pump. You can go ahead and put that in there first. There. And that's it, and that's in. So now that it is in, we can go ahead and test it. Hook your hose back up so you don't spray everywhere around your shop. Get this, plug this one in. Now we'll go ahead and check that, make sure we have fluid and everything's working right. And then you can just go ahead and button it back up. So we'll go ahead and test this. Okay. So once you test it and everything's working like it is now, you could just go ahead and you're going to put your 425 T25 Torx Bits back in, mount this back to the firewall, and that's pretty much it. Reconnect obviously anything you took out of the bus bar, double check everything, just make sure your accessories are all working again since you were, you did unplug them, make sure you didn't knock anything loose. Put it all back together, and that is it. So that is that's a quick tutorial on just how you go ahead and do your washer fluid pump. Again, common issue here on the Northstars that we've come across quite often, and again over on the Northstar owners page on Facebook, a lot of the guys, same exact thing. So we'll put a link in the description to the replacement pump. It is an aftermarket pump. It's not OEM Polaris. So I know the OEM Polaris ones were fairly expensive, but like I said, I think these were about 20 bucks. But they will be on our website, so we'll go ahead and put a link down there. And again, if you have any comments or questions, just go ahead and drop the remarks below. We'll try to get back to everybody, hopefully with a good answer for you. And if you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel. We do a bunch of giveaways, install videos, ride videos. So it does definitely help us out with the YouTube algorithms there. And if you do have a product, if you're a fabricator or an aftermarket company, you have a product for any model actually, Can-Am, Honda, Kawasaki, obviously Polaris, the Razors, the Rangers, anything like that, we'd be happy to test it for you, do an install video. Just go ahead and drop us a comment or reach out to us. All of our contact info is on the page. So again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.